Okay, so it's been about not long actually, probably about 4 days, I want to say, maybe 3 days that I've had this design on. I've gotten compliments on it, and so I'm really loving it. This burgundy is just really pretty, and this was kind of my recap that I couldn't put in my last video for you guys. So here it is. I've worn it for about a few days now, and I'm absolutely in love with this design. I'm definitely will be doing it again, and experimenting with some different colors. But I'm back, and I'm going to be doing another design. It is getting close to Christmas, so I thought we would do, just because the way we decorated our tree at home reminds me of the red and white candy cane, because that's the colors we put this year, red and white. I'll put a picture as you can see. We did red and white, so I'm going to do some candy cane nails, and it's really easy to do, and so I thought I could get in a quick video just to show you guys how easy it is, and you can do it yourselves. All you need is 2 colors, and that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. I don't have an inspiration for it. It's just something, you know, that you can pretty much find anywhere. But let's not make this intro any longer. So let me take off this design. I will come back. Everything will be filed, although we're looking pretty good over here. It'll be filed. It'll be with a base coat, and it will be nice and moisturized for you guys. All right, so I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back now, and I decided to just do one hand, so my other hand still has the polish on it, which is okay, but this design is so easy. I can just easily, I'll show you how to do it on one hand, and then I'll end up doing an after video with a different design on my other hand. So we're gonna have 2 videos for Christmas. But anyways, now that I have the base coat on and everything's filed and got my short nails, they're growing, as you can see. They are. Sorry, there's still some more burgundy polish I gotta clean up, but we're gonna do base colors. Now, when doing layers of polish, you always want to start with the lightest layer first. And so with the candy cane, all you need is 2 colors. You need white and red, and any embellishments that you want to add, glitter, rhinestones, or you just keep it simple and just do red and white. So obviously the white would go first, and then you'll top it off with red. So the white that I'm using, I've used it many times before. It's Wet n Wild French White Creme. So Wet n Wild French White Creme. I have 2 bottles of that because it's so amazing. Like, it's so opaque. And then the color, of course, like I used in the other video, is the shiny red. It is shiny number 7. So shiny, sorry. Those are the only 2 colors. I had this beautiful red and green sparkle from Sinful Colors. What is it called? Holiday Rebel, but I don't know if I'm going to use it. Maybe with the next design. Yeah, so maybe not this one, but the next one. So, wrong hand. So, let me apply the base color, which will be white, and then I will come back and show you how to do the rest of the design. Okay, so I am back. What I forgot to mention was that when you are going to put on stickers or nail vinyls, You always have to do, that's backwards. The fast drying top coat. So for me, I use Sally Hansen's Insta Dry. But yeah, you have to, or else it'll just make a mess. So I'm going to show you how to do one nail. It's really simple, really. And then I'm going to finish the rest in a time lapse. That's how short this video is, and it's making me happy because it's been a while since I've done a short one. Actually, I haven't done a short one at all. But anyways, so let's get started. Let me respond back to a text. Okay, so it's pretty easy. I have some nail tape. I guess that's the proper word. Let's open it up. And it's really easy to do if I can just get this out of the package. Good gracious. Okay, there we go. Oh no, look what happened. It stuck to it. Now I have a... You know what? That's okay. I can just snap it out. You know what? We're going to cut it out. Let me grab some scissors. Okay, no big deal. You don't have to worry about that. It came in a package of like a lot, so I'm not worried about wasting any. Okay, sorry. Grabbing this. So what you're gonna do? Hey, let's get closer, shall we? We shall. Okay, so what you're gonna do? Oh, look at that! Is you're gonna take your tape and you're just gonna go diagonal across your nail, and you're gonna put a lot of these. So I'm gonna put that there. Get my scissors and cut. And you want to leave a little excess on the side. Make sure that's nice and placed down. And we're going to grab some more, sticking to itself. Of course, because it's tape. Then we're going to go, let's see, where do we want to go? We're going to go here. You want to space it out where you have some thick ones and some thin ones, and you really want to make it as authentic to a candy cane as possible. So I have a thin one there. Then I guess we can put another one here. Go a little bit more. And then lost my place on my tape. So sometimes it does that. So you just want to feel around the edge until you can grab it. But mine, I can't seem to find. And try my thumb. This is always the annoying part, just like any tape. See, now it's starting to come off the thing. Just making everything difficult. Okay, you know what? We don't have to deal with this. Or did I find it? I found it. Okay. I was like, I have so many more. We don't have to deal with it. Okay, but I found it. So then we're going to put one, like a thick one. I'll put one here. And then we'll cut it. And then we'll do one more right here. I'm trying to grab it with the other finger. There. Oh, no. The difficulties. Okay. And that's the last one. I'm gonna snip that. Let's not lose our place. This. Okay. So now we just want to make sure those are firmly down on the nail. And then what you want to do is take your red polish, shake it up. Get it open, and then you're just gonna put 2 coats on top, of course letting the coats dry in between. Just gonna put it right on top. I missed the spot back here. Easy fix. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it dry for like 30 seconds. Not too long. Then we're gonna put a second coat, and then we're gonna take off the tape. Okay, then we're gonna put a second coat because you don't want it to dry too much in between. Okay, second coat. Then once you're happy with the opacity, I grab some tweezers, or you can do it with your hand, but it's better to do it with tweezers. And then actually I'm gonna put out a cotton pad to sit these on because it's gonna get messy. I'm gonna pull from this side, and then you just pull up your nail tape. And see, it's already starting to dry. Need to hurry up and put it up. Oh gosh. Okay, there we go. So we got a little-ish. Okay. So while that's been drying for like 30 more seconds, now you're gonna go ahead and put on your top coat again. Just smoothing out the edges. Just like that. Okay. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So we're just gonna do that for the other ones, and then that's pretty much it. Okay, so I've cleaned up around the edges, put a top coat, and I'm actually really happy with this look. One thing is that when you put more of the strips together, you get a thicker line, which you see here is what I did, but On the other ones I kind of did like small ones, so that's kind of the effect that you will get. So if you want to switch up between thin and thin, then you can get put like 2 or 3 strips and one to get a thicker line. I actually really like the way it came out. It doesn't even remind me of candy cane. Like, you can wear this look all year long, really. But let's move all those out of the way. But I'm really happy with the way it came out, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna wear it along with this one that I still have on, and we'll see how it holds up. So let me know, do you like it, or I don't know. But I like the way it came out, so I'm happy with that. I guess I'll post this on my Instagram at Jam Nail Designs, so you can take a look at it over there. But other than that, I'm happy, I'm satisfied. Didn't take too long to do. The video's not too long, and yeah, so I will catch you guys in the next video.